guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video we're going to Zambales. So yeah, for today we're gonna visit Liuliwa or Limliwa, I don't know kung ano ba yung tama kasi nababasa ko sa internet. It's either Limliwa or Limliwa. But yeah, we're going there today and it's already 3 a.m. We're gonna book a Grab going sa bus station because for today's video, we're just gonna go there with the bus. Because it's Mil's first time na sumakay ng bus going somewhere here in the Philippines. So I hope it will be a smooth ride. It will be a smooth experience for us. Although, same as usual, we don't have an itinerary. So, we'll just figure out later kung saan kami pupunta, kung ano ba yung mga pwedeng gawin sa Liuliwa. So, I hope it will be a very enjoying and memorable experience for us na pumunta sa Zambales. So, yeah. So, andyan yung Grab namin, guys. So, pababa na kami sa lobby. And as you can see, hindi ako nag-ayos for today's video kasi plano ko lang matulog sa bus. Wala pa kami tulog ni Mili. So, matutulog lang kami sa bus and maybe pagkagising ko, tsaka ako magme-makeup. We'll see. So, I think it will take 30 minutes or less papunta sa Cubao. And from there, tsaka kami bibili ng ticket. Hindi kami bumili ng ticket online. Kasi hindi kami sure kung ano ba yung dapat namin sakyan. So, dito na kami guys. Victory Lane. Paano te sa ano po, Liuliwa? San Felipe. Ano po ba dapat sakyan pag?
Kaso ma'am,
Pare,
fully book yung 5 natin. Kung diretsong San Felipe yung gusto nyo, 7 AM na.
7 a.m. Ayun na nga guys. Fully booked yung alis ng bus ng 5 a.m. So magka-cut kami ng trip. We will go to Olongapo first. Pero 6 a.m. pa yung alis ng bus. So, we will still have to wait 2 hours dito sa station. Pero, sabi naman, pagdating dun sa may Olongapo, marami ng bus dun papunta, dadaan sa San Felipe. So, this is what you don't want, the waiting. Medyo nagugutom na kami guys. Kakainin namin yung isa namin baon. Kasi sabi ko kay Neil, wag na siyang bumili ng food niya sa sorry. This is our baon. Chicken pastel. So, nakasakay na kami ng bus. It's exactly 6 a.m. Medyo magulo kasi yung sistema nila dito sa bus station. So, hindi namin alam kung saan kami sasakay kanina. But, eto na nga. So, it will be 2 hours drive, I think, going to Olongapo. And from there, tsaka kami sasakay ng papunta sa San Felipe. So, I hope it will be much smoother yung papunta from Olongapo to San Felipe. Nandito na kami sa Milong po guys. Opposite the bus station. So, pagbaba namin, mag-aas na lang kami kung saan ba yung sakayan papunta sa San Felipe.
bubulan. Ito, nakakaraw. Yan, tama na sa ay. Buliwa. Ang kayo? Buliwa. Ito, buliwa. Babae ron. Bilis ka na. Ay, gora, yan.
So, nakasakay na rin kami agad boys ng bus pa sa Felipe. And pagbali namin ng sinakay namin pa Olongapo. Meron na nag-aantay na bus na San Felipe. Is na rin siya yung bus. So, nakababa na kami guys ng bus. And we're here na sa OG San Felipe Public Market. Sasakay na kami ng motorcycle. Tricycle. We're riding the tricycle. So, after 4 hours, we finally arrived here. So, kami mag-stay for the next 2 days. Hi! Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, so we can check in already. So, pwede na kami mag-check-in, guys. Even if we're so early. It's only 10 a.m. And it's a little small, but at least there's air conditioning. So, yan nga, guys. Nakapag-check-in na kami na early. And it's only 10 a.m., around 10 a.m. So, it was 4 hours na travel going here from Manila. Well, maybe we'll get a little bit of rest and we'll go out after. Hi guys, so ayan. Punta na kami sa beach. And no, again. So ayan guys, kaidlit na kami ni meal. And right now, it's already lunch. So we're gonna walk around to see kung ano bang merong kainan dito near sa stay natin. So actually, paglabas mo lang stay natin, marami mong kainan. And most of na mga kainan yung mga nakita namin sa TikTok. So, we'll see kung saan kami kakain. So, this is how it looks like. Mango shake. We're just gonna share mango shake. You don't know this was
Cheap.
huh?
To agree.
I ordered liempo silog. And of course, eating yung top set. As usual.
Pour the sun in my cup, it's golden brown. Feel the rhythm shake the ground in this town.
So we're done eating lunch, guys, and now we're heading to the beach. Yung beach naman, it's just 3 to 4 minutes walk siguro. Though, from there, hindi naman alam kung anong gagawin namin. But we'll check it. We're almost at the beach.
Can you rent that? What happened there?
Ang Dragon Boat ba? Baus pa mag-rides na. Pwede po, kahit dalawa lang, ma'am.
So, update dito sa beach. Wala masyadong tao kasi mainit pa. And I feel like mamaya yung hapon. Hi, honey! So, we decided to go back dito sa stay namin. And good thing kasi merong coffee place dito sa mismong stay namin. So, we'll just stay here for a while kasi sobrang init. Ewan ko ba ba't kami naglalakad sa Tarawan. This what he ordered. What is this, my love?
Cookie butter latte.
Okay, try it then. So, ayan guys, we're just walking around again because there's not much to do here.
Because I don't have my bike.
Yeah.
I feel like I don't have freedom.
So, yun lang yung cons kapag hindi kami nakamotor, hindi kami makaikot dito. As someone na laging makapiyang pa. Yan. So, right now, ikot-ikot lang kami dito sa Liwa. And we're trying to find a place kung saan pwede ulit kami umupo. But we prefer something in front of the beach. But it's very nice here. It's just that if you arrive here na maaga pa, so it's more of chilling the beach lang yun. Because there's not much place to visit. So, we were able to freshen up na, guys. Because naligo kami sa beach. We took a shower. And now we're heading to the coastal road. Heading to the coastal road. So, dito na kami, guys. It's a dead-end road. Kaya walang dumadaan ditong mga sasakyan or what.
Like these domes.
Yeah.
I think there isn't even a bridge going there.
Oh, yeah?
Huh?
The sunset already. Hindi kami nakapagawa. We're back here sa beach. And now we're heading to Pangkalan.
Vlog mode.
Good morning, everyone. Today is the start of our second day here in Leoliwa. And for today, naka-ready na kami to go out. We're gonna look for a place to eat breakfast. And then after that, punta kami dun sa falls, nearby falls dito sa beach. And probably after namin sa falls, we would go back here sa stay namin to check out. Pero we already packed our bags para pagbalik namin, mag-beach na lang kami. We'll just take a shower and uwi na rin kami sa Manila. So, maybe we'll stay a bit longer sa falls this time. So, right in front of our stay, guys, is Sestra. Ito kami kakain.
Coffee latte ice. Hot. One coffee latte hot and one cappuccino.
So, nagko-compute kami ni May kung magkano yung gastos namin going through. And so far, we only spent a day and a half here sa Leoliwa and we spent 7,500 already. Yeah, 7,500 including na yung cost namin pabalik. But, yeah, medyo pricey talaga. So, I ordered latte.
Cappuccino.
Look at the latte.
Cappuccino.
Yours is cappuccino. Look, honey. So, this is their brunch platter. We will just share it. Kasi, hindi naman ako kumakain ng breakfast. So, kumakain naman ako, pero
So, ayun nga guys, unfortunately, hindi kami makakapunta dun sa falls kasi we talked to the tricycle drivers here sa may Leoliwa and they said na it's not worth it to go there during this season, dry season na kasi dito, dahil walang tubig yung falls. So, hindi na kami nagpunta doon. So, we decided not to go there. But instead, we're heading to the beach now. And maybe do some activities. Kung ano mang meron sa beach. And yun lang. It's sad na hindi namin makita yung falls. But we don't want to waste time and energy kung wala rin naman kami makikita doon. Maybe next time on our next visit here. Kasi this won't be our last time visiting here sa Leoliwa naman. So, we're back at the beach. And ATV ride talaga yung pinaka-highlight ng Leoliwa.
Look.
We're gonna do this ATV ride. got back from the beach and we just finished doing the ATV. Kaya ayan, sobrang itim ko na guys. And since wala na kaming gagawing activity for today, we're planning to check out na rin. And mag-antay ng bus dun sa May Market kasi we're not sure kung anong oras may dadaan na bus na doon, and we don't want to leave so late na kasi gusto namin makabalik sa Manila ng hindi pa masyadong gabi. So yeah, we're done packing our bags. Magpapalit lang kami ng damit and we'll go to the market. We're heading home, guys. Lalakad na kayong papunta sa kanyang tricycle. We're back here sa bus stop sa May San Felipe Park. Sakay na kami. Good thing may bus na nag-aantay. Pero ordinary bus. Walang aircon.
Ayun guys, pabalik na naman sa Manila. And super bilis lang no. One night. Yes, kalong ko siya. Super bilis lang talaga nung one night namin sa Liverpool Beach. Then, super itik. Pero super worth it na itong trip na to kasi first time ni Milton sa Liverpool and first time niya din pasakay ng bus. So, bobe. So, hindi man namin napuntahan lahat ng spots. Hindi man nakapag-serve sa question kahit kasi ibig sabihin may reason pa kami para bumalik sa Liverpool and hopefully mas matagal lang kapag-stay till next time and papuntahan namin lahat ng spots na hindi namin napuntahan. Thank you guys for watching our vlog and I hope to see you again on our next. Bye guys!